Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
I don't want to support anybody. I want to stand to say the truth. Just like the way about this man stand alone. Last man standing. He won't say, he may be as far as social media is concerned. You understand? Because the person you call your friend today will beat you tomorrow. That's the reason why from the day I step into the social media, the only way to stand and speak the truth, nothing but the truth of social media, you don't have a permanent friend, you don't have a permanent enemy. The person you call your enemy today, tomorrow you can still be your friend. That's it. Because God can use your enemy to bless you. You understand? So, the vera gbina no wa, gbina no Monica, or see you singing Monica. Iye boy, you might vera to order or oteme ki no dona makake. Umaladiano no way. We want to see the truth that time. You understand? You did not even come out as a grandmother to speak against these things that Vera was doing. You all were clapping for her. You all were even super chatting her. Even Monica herself talking with Imati in the super chat her. When she did beat other people with the against her, Monica the super chat Vera with 50 euro, 50 pounds. When Vera they beat other people for her. Okay, now Vera turned against Monica. From the upset, she never turned against Monica. We all day here. She came out and said, we want the truth. I want to stand alone. I don't want to fight for anybody. I want to be alone and speak the truth. If issue comes on head on social media, I will analyze it the way I know how to do it. If any issue with this social media, I will analyze them. I don't feel fight for anybody again. I want to do my own. This matter with the grand, so we want to see the truth. She not mention Monica's name. She not mention Lolo's name. She not mention Ye boy name. She not mention Susie name. She not mention GPC name. You understand? And she came out, she was doing it. This said me so Baba with this man. Now me call Vera for war again. Say, Vera Larry, you don't ever beat me before. I play all the video where you ever beat me. When I'm not to run. Because I was talking to Monica. I play all the audio. Yeah, boy, why you deviate from me? And because of Monica. It's the truth. The reason why you run away from me is because of Monica. Because I beat Monica, you leave your own brother. You follow stranger. Because of say he donate money for you or he give you a bag of rice. You understand? Why down oh? Okay, fine, good. No cause of alarm. Now let's talk about the issue between you and Vera now. If Vera, they always send me Vera video. If Vera do video, they go send it for me. If Vera do video, they go send it for me. See my WhatsApp here. Video of Vera full year. What did they send for me? I never watch one with Vera. Right topic, say message to my boy. Message to my boy, they insult you because of Monica. I never watch her till this time. This same yesterday, so you understand? But now you, my boy, a day no ye bomber, review the baby car. I go buy all the beer car in ya yane. A did no ye bomber, review the baby car. Ego baro ni woka kinya yo yane ewa ni busu ni yo yagi you we de na we or yo yagi you elamidi got we have never, you can never see lamidi on social media. Waiting you do have on social media, then they bring insult to your mother. You are the one bringing insult to that family. with your attitude. You as an elder sister to your junior one, you are supposed to be showing good example. You are supposed to be showing good example. And I'm here where I bet you when they get a way I'm here. And I tell you, if you need happiness, go look where you are. Nga wa agba gbe yo mu gbo nga wa agba azio. O me kinu ko kin myself or agbo look where wa agba azio. You understand? O me kinu ko kin myself or go look where ni wa agba azio. This same Europe with this loneliness keep faster than HIV. The biggest sickness we'll get for this abroad now loneliness. Everybody needs somebody to be talking to. When you begin talking to yourself, madness then it starts. Depression will start. Depression not getting us another cure past communication. You understand? Any little thing you jump on social media, bagger. You want to talk about this one? You want to talk about this one? You want to talk about this one? You go use how many hours? Take gossip person. Can use 2 minutes to teach a language. Now cause all these things. You are a working class woman. You dey work. Me, I know say you dey work. You understand? But your doings on social media, you dey bring shame, they give women. It's unfortunate system for our women don't want to tell you the truth. Because if they tell you the truth, you come against them. You understand me now? I don't win weji. Ezo haroto. Wenije. Utiema. Umenmwan. Gemata na roto na diagwa yemata na. Gemata na weyare. I don't buy ozi oyi buyoye. Diagwa yemata na. Emata lelo monika na. Ana miyo na wari no my phone. Waya oyedo mayahin. Diagwa yemata na. Amewe afure ro. No, we are going. We are thinking very very. You people doesn't think about that. You know the kind of dream where they dream about now. Some of you live video presenters are too demonic. For real. I'm going to go and make a live video. If I tell you the kind of people you people are, the kind of animals gonna be, we're gonna go fear. People are not going to follow now. Because see who I'm woman. How can you imagine now? Vera. Vera. Et la midi a dit vera. Et la midi a dit vera wiwa. Tu vois les o dit vera wiwa. Non doye ya no social media every time minutes. Even man can tell you we advertise we na mia na we ane. They will start waking it up again. You they do videos they are the best for you seriously. You have to watch the video there. Oh na moment. If no keke na miane, ele tu ezo, a go do avoid solo la dia. Ezo go be continue. A etenori ne, a do ari no e. Etenori ne a do ari no. Because of your character. Ama when you do, I die odo. Wa wona je mi no dere, get we no go no de. Vera orobie we na wo ya kporu no so gbe vera. When ye boy, wo kporu no so gbe vera. Social media na respect. Ama diama o haro. O can bully you if you don't respect yourself. People will respect you. People will respect you. Of you were 35 years, of you were at Vera. I did at Vera. That I know you were. Or you do have moves on social media. Every time, almost every year. It's a big shame. I mean, no bad. You joking, act like one. A busy as a very many. Now, who dare you to a very last way? I want to see the truth. I want to see the truth. As a mother, do you call Vera, call Monica, Wasunu, Osiezo, Wateka Yenia, Wasunu as Iyi? You understand? Who iron the issue amicably? These are women. Women to women. And what are you on? because wani quick water way. Umu wa ne susu ye call. Umu Monica ye call. Umu Vera ye call. Other women, you post it together. You settle this issue amicably. Peace good. This noise making, this madness, it will go off air on social media. Call Lolo. Bring Lolo together. Put Lolo on call. Put Monica on call. What is the vest Monica? Monica go vomit her. What is the vest Lolo? Lolo go vomit her. Where you go for wrong, you give this one. Where this one for wrong, you give this one. Case close. A matter of magi on itorari, magi on itinare, let peace day. I make an agui, I got a gui, our dollar. Peace yaro. Very peaceful. But you people will not do such thing. Instead, you join this one. I support Monica. I support Lolo. I support Monica. I support Lolo. Quarrel. This one go they bully this one. This one go they bully this one. This one go they bully this one. Not everything one leads us to. You're not gonna lead marry. The funniest part was you as a grandmother. I can only say you are a mother. You are a grandmother that we all should give respect to. Or you think maybe sometimes you are go that we go yiki and a good town. Ya go ego. Ya that we go yiki and a good town. Or who are the yago ego. It make sense. I'm not talking about that. There are a lot of grandmom on this social media they will live video. Go to YouTube, you go see our Benin women. When they talk about Edo, have you ever seen the Mosaga? There is one grandmother, naming international TV, one grandmother international TV. Oh no, you know. Go to the YouTube and search for her on YouTube. Listen to her when she's speaking. Edoze. I've never seen her. I've never seen one person saga that woman. And they watch her YouTube, which they do teach Bini. A lot of a parent social media with Manado. I've never seen one person insulting them. They are teaching Bini language. When I Yahweh you do it, imagine one presenter Maladian, those are Ghanaian. Why your own case different? The person you are even supporting now that you every minute, every second. The person now that you only well like the social media to disgrace you go away. You know beware the social media now. She brought you to social media. You don't say well like social media do working with now. I just tired for the kind way you did the reason. And the funniest part, the people following you, I don't understand. The kind of people really look when I now understand. Because again, my way now, I don't know what I'm hallelujah. I want to be one yet go ego. You must have young hallelujah. I bet you what you believe. This thing you believe in my. Because you need to be talking to a life in Agalilatia, Aridia, Agalilago, Arigo. But with this man, ye boy, a matter on what day between you and Vera, where ye boy were wrong. You are very, very wrong. Where you for wrong? Now you start this. We want to see the truth. Message to you want to see the truth. Wow, whoever I am. Evera na kpuru musugbo. Evera gwe Monica we lologun. Omaguye boyikun. Ewenye ga agugun. Evera e Monica we lolo. Evera ga agugun. The truth is about Monica and Lolo issue. Case when na court case. We no teme ola dianwe. No na me court case. Why the linya court? Why when linya court? I want to see the truth. I want to see the truth. The truth know you got to the girl they do your own thing. Now your own content be that one. Now your own packaging be that one. The way for constantly fall out be that one. na do kina na do atie bo no mo do atie no makina ata ado ata lo social media we no gba ye boy kaka bo mu pa mu were de ni tama bo na no ki were be. Return your step as a grandmother. Return your step as a grandmother. Eme so no ila dia mu we. Ma keke no la dia mu we as ije boy the Ileledo talk show. Ileledo Foundation talk show. O ma keke ni gbe mi so la dia mu we ma keke no la dia mu we. Amamio is only inside 100% of our women in diaspora. Maybe 15% or 20% or ma gbegbe aga bo we. Nike eya gbegbe aga. Ati awo when vera high any booking. But majority of we 80% no gbe any majority of it 60% of it ya la godone. Ya bi omo ni ya ke si gomo dan no enegbe ya ke si gomo dan no enegbe ya ke no rogo dan no enegbe ya do le gbiyan do le wiyanji ewona because ni enegbe ni ro yan gbe ladian ma mi abe ni wa ye ri egbo ma ti sese gwanti ni egbo ma gwo le pasajo eni oye ta lo live video ni oye ta lo le platform ni o call le platform ni na ta le ta so you understand ye boy Diogo ni dio wa no kere because you came from a responsible home. Respect that home. That home you came from is a responsible home. Respect that home because in such a social media presenters, yeah, you know, yeah, you can mind that wedding be responsible, not responsible. As far as we disgrace her, they will fall out and insult the family. And it's very, very bad. E mata ma we na tinye unyime no nyibe social media eso ma eso ma awe se no gbeni ma ugbagbe woni ugbagbe no ga gbe se le eso live video presenters mo no keke no we ara ti wo awe mo me de na re Germany mo me de na re we na give me frankly mo me de na re Germany post e go ya how we were no I will not do that I yet deny because you have helped me. You understand? That because of that, anything we have with Frankie you understand? A live video presenters, majority of them were even 80% who you know. Unless only the person that know you true well. When imagine no cast take when I know everything about you. Also, when I tell me where social media, you know what you are feel you man. But your character will determine if that thing that person is saying is true or not true. Because I don't know the way you are behaving. You understand? A man you understand even the way you behave. No, you can hear this morning. If you can't know social media every time, every minute, every seconds, it make sense. Deviate from it. See vera give vera body no since you make go down your ro ye e vera ma ro me but vera wa mu yo mu vera yo ya ni me wo ga gbe me we ma re wa ma ho o ho o ma ko yo so why now you want okay mu ya do gbe na ni money kana my sister ya ka ko so ba yin o ha ri gbe na ni Monica social media na ya va we gbe presenters ya wa nya no we gbe laho why ko wo we Ileledo talk show ni why ko we wa no ta so no ma yet yan ma ti answer call even I will answer it you know me ezebe yan we ati mo na we front de na iri time we na we ge na ti e do na even na ti e do na you na ya go na teach you that's me for you mami se no gbe lo ga Monica na ki e gbe wo Yeah, boy, keep with it because a live video presented on Nigeria. If you go another way again, advice now, they advise you now as my sister. You understand? Keep with it. Focus on your own program and be doing it. See Vera, Vera not no subo. Yet to blame Vera. I cannot blame Vera. Let Vera go high. Robi when a woman go. That is when I will blame Vera. Walk out, Vera. That's why. Vera don't have any fault. Vera has one go now. Any fault because what no subo. You understand? Why akporo no subo. And then no buy. You are a grandmother. You should be responsible. You understand? When we saga because that we saga, but majority of what I'm saying is the truth. So if I'm giving you with it, if I'm falling to you, if I'm dealing with you with the truth, it's not saga. All those one true lie. We all know. And Yahweh saga one and the arena giving me your mistake, but making an you understand? So, my sister, how you shall buy me. Mother in Latin, I do it good. Lahao. A saga no what dinner, party boy, what is being wo. Even a bit of go na a saga no dinner. Ye gbe bo. Ye gbe. No one what it go yo. Gin wa ko agbele gin ara mira. E Monica no go kan no my face to face. O my Monica wa. E Monica ma wa. You might even see her tomorrow. I get live video, I have beauty camera. And I pet no ya nyama na pet nya work bound. Ya be plaster pa. Amu first layer, amu second layer, do gbe shan e. One understand ayoro ya sun ya fi wan my face ya home. Ila me de ke here here kwa. Ila me akpekin, be smith kwa the work. Man understand. Why wa ni buto e kabana. Wa here gbe. So my sister, I don't da gon ba no ma se do ari ozambia gbe no kere. You understand? I don't da gon pa do give live video presenter do ari ozambia gbe no kere. It's not fair. That's the reason why I'm here. Sometimes if I want to talk to you, you are a bunny way. And how we go, you are a bunny way. Advice na me no. Ki will be wo e kinu na ema. E kinu na ema. No ka kere agbo egun, o so reply. Yeah. The video when I'm in.
I'm not calling you. No way the voice record. I want to make it my own. My sister. Why getting dating is strong, getting me strong. Then I get him women. Why get him women your money? Let's stand on my feet. Watole. Obi mi open up watolo. Eke jele, ave jele ni tolo. Ivan wana ebe. Ekbe na tolo na muke ekbe yo wa ze tolo pulwa. Vera. Ero da for we di pu. Because a video, my mommy video is Monica. What you work, my mommy can Monica not see where La Leo to be a mail, my mommy. We might work on the ethic because in mommy way. Name me on college video way. Not by the way, where PCA, loud, see a member with it. Only me on see a member with 1 year. Briname. The real was a video where there are. My mom is taking the one, whatever.
Udoge mi na mudai robi ewe na mi. Even when mudai talo na mi de Monica. O ya mi no send we happy. Ewe mudai talo na we sin ose ni na now. You understand na? Na hu dai do adu ye gbe we ro ye we. Tell me emi we no feel ya for many years. Na do dai do amu mata ga ladian. Ewe Monica. Eni emi ekwe. Ye boy. Eni emi ekwe. Does even with our nuna water? Tell me between Vera few begi you when with Vera over you way. We na Ladiana na one you know be where Vera over anyhow. Monica. We binano now. Now do ya few begi on or you will know if you are for many years. No market K90 at home with her. Only me na tawe ho mo ta ya mo la live video. You understand? E no we pina banana o na hu de egbuwe rataro vi we o taro vi otune kiri rataro vi jue rataro vi okpa we gbewe ere nu mie bude nu ma ba o nu ha be re okpa a fi gbegi we na la do ayusa na do ari o ya moro heavy no gbe
ati me want ni to pe na ni so yi le sa chi ko o be ti o ma be de tu mo ba pe ba mi la gogo vera e ke ni ali sa me na ma da start e la gogo so mo pa be te pa me la gogo e ba ni ana la je we ru wa we o wa ri kutero asi ani ne so na for that is what me kwa lo bu pe so na I could talk like that but me my ni o e ge do de leka ya le poni me kwa ni now e leka do le kare e ma ni se we ni o so e vera no we ku kai po e vera o ku me asia what that is small but vera o plan we bio me fana e tata no we bio me fana o ma ti wa no we to bio pa no we le hiana o ma ti wa me ma understand to we vera me me kwa lo be bi me o ku me ade ku we ko vera e video ni o afa video ku e abi ma ya ni ama kwa no da me o e ga be ani ya no information me ni afi o ku ni ama kwa no da me o e but una to da me a class una mi gi ma ro ye we e bo ya no tie me na ka ke me gangi we e no tu passe wa ya asa ana mi be e video ni we e ma tie bo no I only give you advice when the matter operate here in that video that is what I said vera oh when I la tie be na you know when I feel information when the church of Pamaga jo me bene no ma ono wa ka le na wo e ma se o se na mo la ja ba ma no ja me po o ware wa ma be comment e pa e po ni tota ke wa defu wa be vareze de aye mi photocopy o e resident vareze me iri e ma o in deti me mi wina wo do me le ni pressure rude in wina o ji me wo gbe to ati pressure to tuta bueno, na le no ma ga se take 25 years iwo a ye to bueno na le no ma no na ja we gbe o se ti aje church ya se church wo ya le ni ga se church mo ya ni le church asi a mami ne ya esi mo na piero wa ga no to kana mo wa ga e no ana ga no kan ri me o me ga gulo to awo e church ma
you understand so yeah do boy they are talking on ma make sense you understand yeah where when you go when we vera no or say no do
ma ya ni
which is not fair as a mother you understand so me bo vera
Mona call hear the truth oh mona me ask am
it's very life man I hear the truth we give me what I when
mona me ask am
when I get
oh yes my people yes my beautiful people oh God guys
Hello boy kuna
if I tell me to this matter she know very well say the truth they will come no say na she dey lie that's the reason why all of them were against me when all of them were not
what
Hey, Fischfutter Fachhandelfinder oder kurz Amazon Alexa.
Sprich mit mir.
iye geli na SIV positive iwa bo fie kunle nupe iye geli wa de nge tete no ma enegbe o edede when they process the dayans they do we nu we ya gbe megbo de bank go pe o we edede gbagbo we iye geli like really I hope you are fine. Are you okay? Iye geli when they brush the dayans iye geli na one na walk iye geli go and look for important form kunku iye geli ba bo fekule nwe mama geli amu pepa Manu, me we are the kai, nothing bring not to give up now we pay. But I mean, what good wife a back who like really. You don't see me don't write pissy name for my war. Pissy name. When you make boy mayor. Where Rudani work on a having a fine, a fancy yari. When you make boy mayor. No. I don't go, yeah. Anymore. When you're the boy mayor, please share this video, guys. Since I've been doing my thing, have you ever seen that I come outside and be measuring pissy, I hear you one. Girlie, mama girlie, when I call mama girlie for because you not get boy, get one call your boy. I'm with your boy, not even for love with me. You not get boy again, Then call yourself mama girlie. Because I don't know why as old as you are. And when your mama, because I hear your one up, pissy for us now and your mother. When your mother come outside, call the lie against me. When she called me,
Yes, so my people, now so I put that video issue. Understand? Because if you see that video, the way I see that video, because I never feel the way I see that video, I see now a full option of insults. You understand? Full option of insult now for that video. You get where the way you're not boom or get back. Understand? It cannot do all we know here we here. So ye boy ye baby you be vera. You understand? Because don't ma put no so be vera, we video give vera, a vera that January ye boy. So you have me when you but a vera but let's place in that day we vera will go too far. Oh yeah, no ya argue anyway, you know, 2 years. That is totally barbaric. Or magba. If I mean that day we vera will be cool. You understand? Or ma make sense. If you want to saga that person, you can saga the destiny of that person. You understand? Only money make sense. And the boy will muzzle it up. You understand? Muzzle it up. Kati. You see all those your that body lamon bana. Stop on. Bolog no support arun Bolog no it's it was support basket na de when ye boy will buy with many squad boy ya shati or basket today na yagedo alokon we are loading and who see do make it happen kabi kina hin ogumu ya ne ya ma kama wo abi ya video go enu debe. You understand? So my sister la ho you salo boy me stop all those here I will who I don't to tell you before several times now I tell you it's not a shame. You see what I watch I did here as your brother. I be live video presenters. A man in my hand, a YouTubers in my hand. And they carry their link, they come out on daily basis. Maybe they help them subscribe. Put you will be my sister. I don't think that carry your link come out one day. Deti mate negbe Monica. Monica carry your moliki well than you subscribing. You understand? For ages, if sometimes wow we be we live in saga in tell Monica was saga. It corrected Monica from her evil ways. Yeah, boy, you are monetized today. A Vera is monetized today. If not for me, you people could have not been monetized. The credit should come to me. That's my beg Monica. When I had to tie your destiny, what? Eh, Zua, who are here at the Harry? Can why you Vera now is coming out on daily basis. The more Vera is doing video, the more is working. Even Vera Wayeni. The more the Vera will video page you're gonna monetizing. The more a month you go have clear your accounts. You understand? But if not for when you are disgracing Monica to the estate, no, they don't want to get one here and Lily Monica. I think you are really Vera. Also, why have by thousands in working YouTube, Facebook, now. Okay, the monetize well. Every Monica will look well at the other day, boy. Now I'm 600 subscribers. Now I go now celebrate. For how many years that you have been following her. If not for the way they are going, if you truly love, why don't you bring up your lip? Come on, you all, precious men, all of them. It should bring up people like out. Let you, our own fans support you people. That's the highest support. So that people will not go still grow. The relationship will grow. It should let you people to grow. But the most important thing, please, why stop on vera wa so kena ya fiako every answer vera. Every reply vera. Day your lane because of your children, because of your family. You understand? Please, either those low by me away. A married or a bonu. A matter on the marotona. Who are wrong, big time. Wrong. They too wrong, Gibana. E vera. Oh, canonia. You understand? Let's walk. Pull no be vera. Vera pull no be. Understand, man? And I will go to stop. Go to stop following married women. Stop it. Stop here at your bonnet. On the tia at your bonnet. Stop. A way or no. Now just our way be that one. Ugo. Stop. Now we. My we at you. Junior Judah. But my yes, one of such a day. Yeah, Vala Diana, you are going to a massive Vera, de Vera Mumatagian, the other Vera of France. I don't know. You understand? You may watch a video no go. I was ashamed of myself. Where we are going. Even people that was watching the video was insulting you. You understand? The man that is not is like afraid to say the truth. Always hide on or I'll let you cook. Well, in you go here, you know, why I'm mana. You can't tell Ladian Temata Maya. That's why I assume you come and you speak the truth. You cannot get it on who you're getting. You cannot get it on who you're getting. Now I've been one. Ima igwe wana nwa ni ma adwiko igwe wana nwa bia ikazen wado igwe wana nwa ikazen wado igwe wa adwiko agbon na woni na do mu ebe lega mu ebe na lega sanyo na do man danyo yi se ava ko yo ere adanyo yi you understand danyo yi se asanyo abu here wa mu ebe na ni wa merit yan ma wa ni de because me we ya gwa so ya gun a oye no mi o ma ti o waya mistake no one. You understand? Any arrow water, then what painted to the favor of those women to be giving you small change or only one new in one, more in one wow. Well, yeah, gonna another because of it, go on. Another short of it, because of it, the new because not only that can't. And me man now, and me man, baby man, what is about to be? Or we are abandoning. You live a life of it. You do go live a life of it. Or we are abandoning anyone and not bam. Or we more way than you. Only I will me here or we go to beg anyone. You know where our life of it. That's just where she live her life. He lives her life. So anyone where you are getting no give, no give boga, no give we. No matter back on a corner, no matter back on no in a corner we are. So every now and then I tell me. Understand? Maybe a canima in one, or Aria Mania to Saga. Saga, or your house at where was it to my no certainly with Saga, a ruin. No certainly with Saga, a ruin. But I just give them sense. Indian mania. Why misbehave you can emoji? My women are be able to they live fast. From that childhood, they live fast. Yeah, you are Silagbada. Si lo yin pa every video every live video ni awo he yo here na eko mo ere na o kan ni wo ko ni akọ ko ni we dian oge wa ko ni akọ e ma ye we zo as ita go ni awo si yan di ni wo boss se ko ni ke social media na e do wo nu giri omo ma ere de so an yan ni we so an live video ne wa do keep boy live video o ko no ke na ya awo mu godo ya ro mo ma gba wa mo si no ma so an yan Olu veya lo la dia live video wa do a che die gbo wa live video imagine no woro wa seriously Egbima de oko wa ni bu at all. Kino we mo ko wow. Egbima ni oko. How can you imagine? Ugumo ko wa. Wow, by good content with good advice to the people. Wow, their fun time. Now ask us question. Very nothing people. Very low life people. What the Madam, talk on her. Talk on that one. Talk on that one. Madam, Hijo, Hije, Madam, go on. Hije, Madam, Gumagun. Madam, Gumagun. You see the problem with the women, the reason why some women can never get married. You listen to that woman talk on a video they go. On a video they go. A video they go. Oh, who you know at time carry men no give. On a video they go. I go for the book one. One thing more go, but it's my neck. Imagine I like this kind of women. I like this kind of women. They do what? Ọmọ fídíò ní gùn rẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́gì ìdènú ẹ̀ wọ́n rí martin ọgbẹ́ agbáwo nù wẹ́kẹ̀ṣì wọ́n wà ní mú híán wọ́n ti gbẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀ rẹ̀ yẹn priceless mami wọn náà vẹ́ ọ̀nà yẹn priceless ọmọ mi wọn náà vẹ́ ọ̀nà yẹn priceless. Oh, I don't get it. God. I don't get it. Get us a God. You don't get it right now. Oh, boy, I use it too here. Oh, come on, where you may have your tea. Amen, you can make you tea. Wabugo, if a bola wa gbe, I'll gbanu wa. May God, I very you of man. Where are you page you? Where are you page you? This is young man Mugu. Let me go and pick it from your page. Oh, you love her. You love her, me. You love her. You love her, me. Oh, you know that. You know that. Oh, no. You get where? You know that. When I went out here, body, you know that. You know that when you get with Saga, you with Saga. You with Saga. You know that when you get with Saga. But when no more than you know, go on boy. When no more than you know, what bell? When no more than you know, you know that. You know that. Sorry. When we love you, yeah, you know that. I'm lucky. I'm ready. But we are blocking. But what is it? Wage aṣawo náà wage wà ní Paris wà gbé àga wage wà ní ilẹ̀ ogun ọgbọ ẹ rẹdọdọ ọgbọ ẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ rẹdọdọ yọ rẹdọdọ àbí yẹlọra ìlọfọ ọhàn ẹgbẹ ọhàn ẹgbẹ nígbà ìwòsàgà ọhàn ẹgbẹ nígbà ìwòsàgà. Ele é social media na. É muito sobre social media de como alco. Eu não get where ba. Eu não get. E gazu ru ni ne. Uru do dinhe. Ije. Ọ̀gá àrí mú lọ jẹ́ ìdàgẹ́. Where do you agree? On the phone, what I live video, you new like you. Oh, welcome to the platform. When you hear platform again, you are working, you are. It's better. I forgot to go further. I forgot that. Where do you get, bro?
Yeah, I want to contribute for the talk with the talk. So, make I clear for my own side, make I clear some things. Come on, what if I'm not going to talk on the line? Me now, on my home, I feel stay. I feel stay so I don't meet man for years. Like me now, when last I meet my husband, it don't pass 1 year. Even when I get belay, if my husband near me, go be like say acting body you pepper me. I don't like him. So
I use God beg una. Followers, listeners. I use God beg una. Una see people where they call in for majority of our platform. Some they talk sense, fact. But I not forget to brother Musa talking. See some of the people where they call in for my platform. They be like they select them. Some they talk sense. And as a normal human being, and they pick sense for waiting callers they talk. The nonsense way they, the fun way they, when I will leave them. You understand? When I not make use of them. Like most of all this kind of color where you they call for a no gay platform. So all those girls waiting for Paris. Some way depression one key. Like this one now where you're talking now. Wait, just if you stay for 1 year now, your husband not the one, you not the husband. 2, if you actually talk, maybe not look your dinner. You care what I did with hey, well. Every video call one. Also, I'm going to give you no book with faith. Where? Why you? My cow. Why, Mary? Don't fuck with faith, yo. Don't fuck with faith. Who from Guefe? Who are Macano? Who free? Who are wake for 1 year? Who will go faith, boy? Who go faith? I cool. Again, baby, no. Monster. Ogbe. One gave one. Ìgbàgbé kọ́lá rẹ̀ náà ìyá tó rí wú wàá dáhùn yọ ìyá ń jọ rẹ̀.
You think that but you not all and maybe some you do and some not but no. I can stay for years. Okay. I don't do work, I don't do anything. But that thing says stay, I can stay.
For years.
But me get yes.
You know they do.
You know they use
cucumber. I know they use cucumber.
No, waiting the cucumber help me. I know they use cucumber. I know they use nothing. I can stay. I'm talking for myself. I know they talk for other people.
I like that word.
Yeah. Like that I talk for. I know they talk for that. I still stay a year plus now. Like man never near me. But if I see my husband, the very first day. I will grab them. Now, so you be say, no, I feel stay. That's why I can stay for a year. Nobody. Because I know the kind of when I for come, so I feel stay.
Yeah, that one.
And also, this because I call you, because of only one session I'll go do with another person, I'll call it good for my full lifetime. No, I can stay. For myself, not for other person. I should stay.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
Thank you, Mr. Pesco.
Una do well. The one we say they go fit stay. The one we say they no go fit stay. The one we be one stay. The one we be one can stay. Una do well. All of them are all of us. Rather there is a stay. Tomorrow we will finish with this single mother. This useless single mother. We're going to finish with that tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today on this topic. And I so much love and encourage you guys for your contribution so far. Thank you so much. This is a new one of Deutschland. Yes, hello, Brian. Hello.
Hello, Brian.
Hello.
Good evening. This color we call just now. say she go stay for 1 year. Some people don't go talk like today. How you want to stay for 1 year? Now people will get depression. Now you know if they make love. People will get depression. Then they get the urge because you know say each person get depression. They think too much.
Come back again. Come back again. People will
get depression. Yes, I'm telling you the fact. People will get depression and then what if you do the
people will get depression. Yes, and then they get the urge for sex.
When I turn so.
If one they touch them, they go back they think they rotate them. I'm telling you the fact. When they say maybe if person get belly, they kill me your husband. Yeah, you want them to say if you get belly just from the first month, you know, kill me your husband, touch you again. Everybody get their own feelings. You understand? Some people say earlier of the pregnancy, they get to meet with their husband well. But if the pregnancy don't still big, they don't go fit again. You understand? So I see them, when people say early of the pregnancy, no don't need them, no just touch them. But if the pregnancy don't get big, they can go over, they call their husband, they make it come through. So you understand? So I'm telling you the fact. Everybody body make different. But that one when they say 1 year, who are saying that you stay for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you don't reach madam, when they talk truth, you got problem. You get problem. I do not be the best people everybody there. For good 1 year. What did they happen? They don't get maybe they talk through for a year or maybe they don't want they talk live for a year. What should they talk? For 1 year. Who will go just for 1 year?
Hey, don't give one that for that.
You know what that's what we get now. And even these days, every sister said that they go to they do. Because of say, no be reverend sister. Who say your husband? Maybe somebody husband travel. Your husband no video travel. Come on, go spend one year now. Just go spend 1 year. Let's know when they come from Nigeria, they leave their wife for Nigeria. Okay, that one is different. Tell me, please, now we don't take this road. So we don't take this road now. But those people, I don't see many men. It's only people tell you. I don't see many. Say 1 year. Why? And the person is very depressing. Not depression because the person who says his name is teach something like Jesus. I know the person doesn't get urge for love making. You don't forget the urge for love making because the place is supposed to be for the big one. People don't food there. Yes, because take it don't food there. Then you hear me say. So when they're talking about say 1 year. 1 year not thickness, constant thickness. They make people feel or you know circumcise 1 year. I said, you know what? I'm busy woman. Maybe they talk truth. Now woman will be they talk truth. Maybe sometimes, especially husband not there for night. Maybe your husband travel one month now. For night, if no day, you get where they feel sometimes. You go feel say yes. You go take the urge say yes. You are feeling like making love. They are telling me that one good year will just be like that. Okay. I'm good. Thank you.
Yes, so my people. When I see this woman with call, so she makes some points and she also makes some nonsense. But in every nonsense, there is always a sense. I will let you now understand. Say some women did for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. This abroad, they never name man. They did plenty. You understand? Not be see maybe their body, they did depression. They get depression. I mean, they never name man. I mean, they don't get that urge. Some women did this abroad. Will be say they love to near man almost every day, but you get what man go do for their eye. They will give themselves time. That will cause self-discipline. You as a woman, you as a man. The same thing goes to man. Not be, when they talk about women. What about we be men? So men, they will you can. You understand? So men don't stay with that. Yeah, when I make also not make the society Yahweh or Mukian, they cannot discipline themselves. You understand? Women that is abroad 5 years, they're not the name man. Then they will get those kind of women for this abroad. Not before that. I don't even talk about Nigeria because you know Nigeria can be. Me they talk about this abroad so. Some are single mother. 5 years, 3 years, man, they come here. You know tell you. Why you kaka? Come you go. Oh, you can't. Understand? Then the problem with you see this one we don't talk so now. Why should they talk this one? So women, the way they take roti, the way they take roti, then still they get that belief. Say, so other women roti. And the truth, the way some women take roti, they still get that belief, say, so other women roti. So, if other things say, the way he said this thing, if you just see my don't admire her, the next thing, I go tell you, when I was swear. And then that's not like where you know, he tell you. Okay, caller. Hello. I go to you. I did live video. Or a speaker.
I know. What is that woman is talking to? We are not being who here unless she finish that contribution.
Oh, yeah, contribute your own. Yeah.
The woman they mention 1 year. I still say now 100 years. So this kind of woman now the best shade